Hello. Say hi.
Whittier pala. Bakit kaya may nalaglag na pulbon? Kasi nilibot ang pulbon eh. Ako din.
Dali na.
Whittier.
Picture.
So, the word corregidor comes from the Spanish word corregir or to correct.
Correct.
That was mentioned in the boat by Stella, the lady guide of Corregidor. This is where the U.S. Army was billeted, the 59th and the 60th Coast Artillery. This barracks was constructed in 1950.
Scary. Hi, go. Honey.
May catering pala dito eh.
Baby na. Dali ka eh.
Han! Nasaan ba?
Papanik nga.
Dapat mo nang picture muna tayo.
Lahat na nakikita mo dito sa iyo. Okay. Mineral din pa.
Makita nyo yung mga operating room, mga ordinary ward, the kitchen, the canteen, at saka yung morgue. Papasukin natin. And then outside of the hospital before, they have the window. Ang bintana naman niya, yung Spanish type, sliding window, naka-fuse. Sa gitna ng hospital, may Red Cross sign siya. Yung araw, pag nasa gera kayo, bawal bombahin yung mga eskwelahan, simbahan, tsaka hospital. Since the Japanese was very rude, binomba pa rin nila yan. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa harap ng hospitalan. Itong marker sa...
Mr. Guy. Blair.
Yung pinaka-entrance ng hospital, dito magandang mag-picture sa may stairs. Yung mga psychic, sila yung nakakita, meron daw dyan nakaupo, wearing a white dress, babae siya, and then sometimes, isa yan excuse, tabi-tabi po. Yung nasa taas natin, yan yung naging operating room nila nung araw. Makikita niyo pa dyan yung mga original tiles. Akya tayo dito.
Tabi-tabi dito.
Ito yung puno ng balete, dinestroyed na rin siya kasi sinisira din niya yung building. In Filipino belief, that is the place where most of the ghosts stay. Balete.
Documented naman. Mabilis sila. Debbie rin! Sophia! Gusto na!
Okay, let's look at the map. This is like a tadpole. Or if you would like to say the green way, this is a sperm cell. This is the head, and this is the tail.